Hi and welcome to Fabricville. Today we're getting into crochet. I'll show you 3 essential steps to get started. How to make a slip knot, create a chain, and crochet single stitches. There are several ways to make a slip knot. Here's one. Wrap the yarn twice around your finger, pass the first loop over the second one, then the second loop under the tip of your finger. Gently remove your finger and pull the yarn to form a slip knot. Insert your crochet hook into the slip knot. Hold the yarn in your left hand, then slightly turn the hook to catch the yarn and pull it through the loop. Congratulations, you've made your first stitch. Repeat this movement multiple times to create a row of stitches. To start, try not to make your stitches too tight and maintain consistent tension on the yarn. This will help keep your stitches even. Once you have a foundation chain, you'll make single crochet stitches. Insert your hook in the second chain from the hook, then bring the yarn through the stitch. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull it through both loops. You've just made a single crochet stitch. Continue this along the foundation chain to complete the first row. Take your time. Consistency comes with practice. To keep going, at the end of each row, make a chain stitch to turn your work. Then, for each new row, insert the hook into the second stitch from the hook, making sure to go under both strands of the V from the previous stitch. To finish your work, cut the yarn, leaving about 10 centimeters to secure it. Now take the yarn and gently pull it all the way through the last loop. This will lock and secure your work. To hide the yarn ends and prevent them from unraveling, you can use a large yarn needle. Thread the yarn through the needle and weave it into the stitches of the last row. And there you have it. You've completed your first square. This project is an excellent foundation for future creations. Thank you for following this tutorial and see you soon for more creative projects.